It's not the truck that counts, it's how you use it. It's the heavy stuff you fit in its bed or the extremely heavy stuff that gets hooked up to the foot hitch. The ATV, the jet ski, the trailer, more square footage than a Greenwich Village apartment. Perhaps you need to get see this report, Mr. Ed wherever they need to develop next. In our case, there's a pair of very serious looking snowmobiles perched atop the bed of a GMC Sierra. They spread out as wide as the extended turn mirrors, and their back halves are dangling precariously beyond the truck. Sterling Archer would be giddy, I'm a little nervous. But only because clearing roads in a wide vehicle such as high speed or gravity bridge better might be easily custom. The added weight is no sweat at all. That's because this is the 2017 GMC Sierra H3 Denali, a truck with the sort of enhanced power, torque, suspension, and stopping capability expected of a heavy-duty truck. And for this year, the more important that a series like courtesy of a new 6.6-liter engine re-engineered from almost the ground up with 90% new parts. It's quieter and more efficient and it emits less, while most importantly producing 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque. That's up from 397 and 765, respectively. Chevy fans will note that the same engine is also available in the updated